Patience pays off. It turns out that people that were waiting for Crypto.com's CRO Coin to move up and people that were accumulating this token during the bear market were doing so for good reason, because CRO Coin today is absolutely exploding. And in honesty, it was inevitable. This is something that we talked about almost every single day on this channel. Crypto.com's CRO token is the utility token for the CRonos chain, an EVM-compatible chain from one of the world's largest crypto exchanges, Crypto.com, who has the most regulatory approval out of any other exchange globally and has been taking massive strides from a marketing standpoint in the right direction during the very brutal bear market. Well, today we are absolutely ripping on the CRO token. I'm going to give you guys some of my targets. What comes next? Let's get into it, guys. Welcome to the Crypto Report. I am Crypto Kip, and I got to get into this one for you. A quick update for you today. Now, just a few days ago, on February 29th, today is March 2nd, I tweeted out this. We were looking at a move up for CRO, and it was looking great. At 11 cents, I said, good morning, CRO fam. Today we break out. Manifested key target for big breakout at 12.28 cents. And guess what, folks? Bada bing, bada boom. We got it and we moved up. Here's where we were. Here's where we are today. We broke through this line and I think we get a lot more upside, guys. Here's the key. CRO Coin versus Bitcoin. We have a lot of lows and highs. We've been at the low. The bear market was brutal for the CRO Coin holders. A lot of people in the comments gave up on CRO. Well, if you're a holder today, then you must be celebrating because you have one of the top gaining tokens in the crypto market today. And it is about time for the loyal CRO Coin holders. Now, guys, we saw this coming from a mile away. I talked about higher lows on the CRO versus Bitcoin timeframe. And yes, we were exactly right. Again, on this channel about CRO, and it's very, very exciting. Guys, the facts are this. A bull market is just beginning, and CRO Coin just showed signs of a breakout versus Bitcoin. That is why I put out this tweet. Why was I so confident that a breakout was going to occur there? Because I had already seen that the CRO Coin valuation versus Bitcoin had already broken through this line at the time of that tweet, and so I knew we had more upward momentum. And the truth is, guys, we have more upward momentum yet ahead. I think at the very least, we are looking at 41% gains in the short term. In the short term, there is a chance that we bounce back down and touch through some of these lines, but it's a very slim one, in my opinion. Now, if Bitcoin falls off a cliff here and this wedge doesn't play out and we don't get a move to the upside like I am hoping to see, then maybe CRO Coin comes down. That would make sense to me. We just started a new daily candle. It started off red. We are only 30 minutes in at the time of this recording, but we see a very good story happening in the CRO versus Bitcoin valuation. Now, I'm going to take this to the next level. Where do we go from here? Well, $5 CRO Coin. You saw it on the thumbnail, guys. Yes, I believe that a $5 CRO Coin is on the table. $2 to $5 has been my prediction, but now I want to share with you guys something even crazier. As I was thinking about it today, I started kind of going through the what ifs. What if CRO Coin does something that we haven't even seen yet? At the end of the day, this token's really not been around as long as, say, a Binance Coin or some of the others. And in the last bull market, Binance Coin did something absolutely spectacular. When you look at the CRO valuation versus Bitcoin, this kind of tells you how much gains are still ahead for CRO at the very least, and that's 636% gains. Just the other day, it was much bigger. Well, why is that gap closed so much? Because CRO Coin's pumping. It is gaining in value versus Bitcoin exactly as we predicted here on this channel. Now, there is a chance that we still have more gains than that, but that would require CRO Coin to break out to all-time highs versus Bitcoin and go back to where it was when it first started, or at least as it's tracked here on this chart on TradingView. Let's look at Binance Coin really quick, because Binance versus Bitcoin, this thing came up in valuation over time. This thing came up, and especially in this bull market, guys, this thing got absolutely explosive and outperformed Bitcoin epically. Over 1,000%, guys, over 1,000% gains. I think that something like that could be on the table for CRO Coin, even from these price levels. Binance's valuation versus Bitcoin is very much so up. Now, maybe that's manipulation. Maybe that's something else, guys, but at the very least, on the conservative side, I'm sticking with my guns here. I'm saying we are looking at a potential through this bull market, at least 600% more gains versus Bitcoin. That's a 6.5x over Bitcoin's price, and some people are predicting a $200,000 to $300,000 Bitcoin. In fact, I had a conversation with some of my friends today, some of my friends that have been in this market for as long as I, and we had a consensus, guys, that Bitcoin's definitely going over 100K. We said it together. I don't know if that's definitely going to happen. I'm not saying to you guys it's definitely going to happen, but amongst three friends that have been in crypto since 2016, what have we been waiting for here the entire time? We've been waiting for institutional adoption. BlackRock launched their own ETF. Other institutions are seemingly FOMOing into this market. Just yesterday, we saw the New York Stock Exchange with an advertisement for these ETFs. The institutions are coming into this space. Crypto.com is a leader in this space, and I think that it's pretty obvious at this point that the Crypto.com CRO Coin token was always destined to go up in this bull market. We've been talking about it daily on this channel. Congratulations to the CRO Coin holders out there that are making gains today. I'm very happy to see a lot of winners out there that are CRO Coin holders. We are retracing a little bit right now. I'm going to give you guys a quick little target update for you of what I think comes next for CRO. Be aware, we might have a drop here. We might have a little bit of a test back up to this level at about 12.2 cents. It might even be at about 12.7 cents because if you look at the history of CRO here, and you kind of go back maybe even to 12.7 as you can kind of see right here on this little peak. We'll see how it plays out, guys, but kind of looking at the CRO Coin versus Bitcoin chart, even if we do have a little retracement for CRO, I think that we're still going up versus Bitcoin. Maybe we stall out here where we had some previous sideways activity for CRO versus Bitcoin. Maybe we break above this line, and then we kind of do a move like this where we come like this, and then we trade, like that for a little while, and then we go back up to the top of the range. Or maybe we shoot straight up. I don't know, guys. We're going to continue to watch it. If you're a CRO Coin holder, well, then you did your research, guys. You had diamond hands, even when everybody was flooding your bag, so congratulations to you. Anything's possible in crypto, but CRO Coin's story is still a bullish one in my opinion. That's all I got, guys, in this one. I do believe a $5 CRO Coin could be on the table, and maybe even more in this bull cycle. You never know. You never know, guys. That's all I got on this one. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and as always, folks, you got to remember to DCA and HODL, and of course, I will see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. Peace, y'all. See you next time.